the explanation for the actual quadratic question number 3. Write a function square t which uses turtle t to draw a square of size 100, starting and ending at the lower left vertex of the square. Then use the function to write another function line of squares t which uses the turtle t to draw a line of 3 diagonal 100 squares. And recall that t point pu pick up the pin for turtle t and that t point pd puts the pin down for the turtle t. So first we need to define the first function, which is function to print the square from this lower left vertex. So it's right here. And we need to push the pin down for turtle t. So t point pd, it means pin down. And we need to move the pin, moving the pin. And so t point right 90 degrees, which means turning the right 90 degrees, and t point forward 100, it means moving 100 space up. So again, turning the right 90 degrees and moving 100 space right, and moving the 100 space down and moving the 100 space left, and they are turning right 90 degrees. So after we push the pin down for the turtle t, we picks up for the turtle t. Then t point pu, which means pin up and turning right 90 degrees and moving the 100 space. So we use the first function to write the second function. Define line of squares t, which means function to print a diagonal with 3 squares. And then we picks up the pin for turtle t, and we setting the pin location. So t point pu and t point go to, which means setting pin the location. We use the 150, and we also use the for loop. So for I in range 3, the 3 squares, and I is a loop variable, and then square t just join the square, and then we can get a result line of squares turtle. So let's run this code and let's see. So here's the three squares for this question. So this is the explanation for the question number 3.